Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY styled video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create your own luxury fragrance. I don't know if you guys know anything about the brand called Dossier. They specialize in making luxury fragrances for affordable prices. If you like Tom Ford, if you like Gucci, you can go on Dossier.co. On their website, they have this deal where you can get 5 fragrances for the price of 1. So 5 perfumes for $116. That's 20% off. That's a steal. You're probably not going to need my discount code because everything on that site is very affordable and reasonably priced. Dossier is based in New York, but I believe that they make their fragrances out in France. So that's how you know you're getting the highest of quality. They sent me 2 of their fragrances. When you open it up, it just looks like this. And on the inside it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And on the thank you card, it just has the name of the fragrance. It has its notes. It has what it's inspired by, the concentration, and their mission. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. And then it also says how it works. The scents that they sent me is the Aquatic Peony scent, which is reminiscent of the Acqua di Giora by Giorgio Armani. I think I'm saying that right. They also sent me their Citrus Green Apple scent, which is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue perfume, and it smells so good. Their packaging is pretty minimalistic, and you guys know I love minimalistic stuff. On the front of the packaging, it just has the notes. It has the top notes, middle notes, and the base notes. I wore this Aquatic Peony scent to work. When my coworker came into the room, she's like, it smells so good in here. And I was telling her a little bit about the fragrance, and she's like, oh my god, that smells so good. She's like, it's very light, very feminine. Another thing about their packaging is that although it is very minimalistic, it has some cool, neat things about it. So in order to create your own fragrance, what we're going to be doing is, well, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Citrus Green Apple first. And this one is a more daytime scent in my opinion. So I'm going to be spraying that on right now. And then, it smells so good. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my Aquatic Peony scent and I'm going to be spraying that on as well. This one is a more nighttime scent, is a more dark, mysterious scent. Smells so good. And what that does is that it creates a more unique smell and scent. A lot of people don't think to mix their perfumes together, but I've been doing it recently and it creates my own scent and it just smells so good. It's very easy, very TikTok, but it makes a whole lot of a difference. It just creates your personal, unique smell. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Hello to all my new subscribers. Until my next video, I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.